Welcome to channel MP Palmeras Trees channel. Reporter Erika Mercedes Rojas Ortega. My channel, your channel. News Palmeras Trees channel. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this news program, Palmeras Informa. Tonight, we are going to be talking about the most relevant things that are happening in all CECAR University campus. We start with this news that today is causing a stir at the CECAR University Ciudad de Villavicencio, Meta. Picture of the students. Comment. I want to study. Today in the morning hour, the students of the CECAR University were outside the university protesting because they were promised a new headquarters where they can count on all the technology tools necessary for the good performance of the student life. It's very important life student. On the order, and they also have the direction to place creative arguments with foreign universities so that students can make cultural instruction that allows them to strengthen a little more in learning a second language. As all students can see, they meet in front of the university so that the directions come to provide a solution to the problem, saying they need acquire space and with good recourse to have an optimal and quality education. Thank you. Good night. I speak to you, Erika Mercedes Rojas, your reporter. News Space Palmeras Trees channel.